this video I'm going to show you how to replace your White Knight tumble dryer vent hose which may be damaged. This happens with age and it's something that always needs to be changed, as this is what gets the steam or vapour out of the machine and through the wall to the exterior. It is now possible to run these tumble dryers on a condensing box system, which you can see in the link above. These are very useful for actually catching the condensation rather than filling your house up with steam, or you can just replace the hose with either a 2.4 metre, which is the shorter hose. There is a 4 metre also available, and on this specific machine it is a 4-inch hose, which is roughly about 102 millimetre. Let's strip the machine down. First thing we need to do is remove either the back panel or the front plinth. So we'll work on this machine and we'll replace this hose, and we've got to undo the 2 screws here. Straightforward standard screw, Phillips screwdriver. This actually allows us to get this front part of the clip, which you'll see in a minute. I'll just turn the machine round and we'll take the back off. As you can see, the hose is broken here, so we're going to remove the whole of this. The first 2 screws you need to undo are these. This actually holds the tube system in place. Now we need to undo all the screws around here. You might find that the 2 screws here are slightly different thread on some models. We've got the 2 bottom ones. Be careful of your fingers, these are sharp edges, which needs to come up a little bit and then it slides out. Now you can actually see the whole tube system here. I'll do a close-up of this. Now as you can see, the hose down here has perished. There's a retaining screw on some of the models at the top, but we need to actually disconnect this box. Now, the reason why I took the front panel off was so it will hinge and can go across. Now we're able to remove the whole hose. And you can see the fluff inside the machine. Really, you want to get a vacuum cleaner and hoover all this out, because this fabric which has come off the clothing has basically gone all through the machine, and it's really a fire hazard like this, so you want to hoover all this out. The first thing we need to do is replace this hose, and we're going to replace this with a 2.4 metre. If you need extra length you can put a 4 metre on, or you can buy the complete kit. We do both forms on the website. Just enter your model number for the complete kit, but the universal hose, as I said, is a 4-inch, either 2.4 metre for standard length, or you can have a 4 metre. And we just need to undo this screw. And then we can pull this out. Remove any fluff, so that's not needed now. So we've got that there, and we'll extract that off, and we need to undo the screw here as well. And you just pull the old one out. But you can see all this needs to be cleaned out, so make sure it's all clean. Right, now we're ready to reassemble. Okay, our seal needs to go in, and I need to take this screw all the way out. Now this is like a thread on a screw, so we can twist this in. and that will thread all the way up onto the seal, and just take it until it's hand tight. Do not over tighten. Now we can put the screw back in, and that will hold it in position. Now these cages are actually designed to stop, because of the high airflow, this actually stops the hose actually ever touching the drum, and that's what that's there for. So we're going to thread that down. Gentle with it. And that should be about the right length. Might get a little bit more, that will do us. Again, if you have this, this will just screw on exactly the same. We can put the screw in, and now we're ready to reassemble. So the clip here goes on the far side. And that's why you have the plinth off. This just clips over, and we're ready to put the back plate on. So all we have to do, fit the hose through, that slides under, be careful of your fingers, get it up, and then pull it down to lock it in place. And we need to put the screws in. Now lining this up can be slightly difficult on occasions. There's one. Once you've got one in, the other one's quite easy, and that goes underneath. And now we can put the screws around the whole panel. Now before finishing the machine and putting the plinth on, just go round the door frame and clear off all the fluff on here. Quite an easy job with a vacuum, but it allows for the air to flow cleanly through to the filter, which will improve the efficiency of the machine. And there we go. I've given the filter a good clean. Do it delicately, but all these little bits and pieces do help in the efficiency of running the machine, and does reduce the energy consumption in your house. If the machine is drying the clothes in the correct period of time, therefore you're burning less electricity. So I'm just going to put the filter back in, and we're ready to put the plinth on. Now that the machine is all put back together, we'll put it on test in a second, but I thought I'd just show you what came out of the machine. Not only is this a fire hazard, it also causes problems with the efficiency of the machine, having this much fluff built up in the pipework on the fan blade. Now the machine is all clear, it'll be working to full efficiency. So let's just plug the machine in and put it on test with a load. And as you can hear, it's all running perfectly and it's quiet now. At the website there are other tutorials to help you either replace the heater, the thermostatic system, the front forward thermostat system. We also have videos on the motor and the capacitor, and also how to change the bearings and the ventos, which is a common fault on these machines. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it helped you, and please remember you can support the website by donating at Buy Paul a Beer page, and for other tutorials please see the website. Thanks for watching.